Part 2. Have you ever had high school edition?
Questions about high school. Have you ever had edition?
High school?
PBB pa.
Parang babalik ako sa 2011? Yeah, I graduated 2011.
First question.
Okay, first question.
Have you ever had a crush on your high school teacher?
Oh my God.
Name drop.
I had a crush on my teacher, high school teacher.
High school.
Oh, sige, yung first name.
High
Crush,
school.
teacher.
High school teacher.
I'm thinking now.
Like before.
Yan ba? Anan? Wala. As in wala.
Wala.
I have. When I was,
Spill the tea.
no. It's second year high school. Yeah. Because my favorite subject when I was studying is math.
Wow,
Yeah.
Wow.
Genius.
I love mathematics.
Math wizard.
Yeah, okay, I love mathematics. So, I have that teacher na parang, kasi excelled ako talaga sa math eh. Oh, sa mga batchmate ko. Excelled ako sa math. Not because it is my favorite subject, because nagpapa-impress ako dun sa high school teacher ko. Kasi syempre pag, di ba, pag mataas grades mo, yung teacher mo, parang lagi kang ina-acknowledge. Buti pa si ganito, si ganyan. So parang para sa akin, parang it is a compliment, pero parang may kilig. Okay.
Next question. Have you ever had a boyfriend during high school life?
So, unique. You praise.
Me? 100% wala. Kasi I have a strict parents.
Shoutout kay Tito. Ako, siguro, I have my boyfriend.
How many? How many MU? Puppy love.
Puppy love. Ang dami kasing puppy love eh. Pero the serious one is my ex-husband. So, ayun na. Ano ba? Nasagot ko naman na, diba? Ano natin gusto mong yun? May family na yun. Sana I hope you're doing good. Because I am doing good.
Third question. Have you ever had a crush on someone that your close friend also has?
Have you?
Para sa akin kasi, mas nangingibabaw yung friendship over
Crush.
crush. Kaya nung nalaman kong crush siya, nag-crush siya
Oo.
dun sa crush ko.
So, parang nag-distance ka.
Nag-distance ako.
Ay, ganun.
Kasi mas nangingibabaw sa akin friendship.
Ako kasi, parang I don't have crush nung high school na naging crush din ng classmate.
Different.
Oo. Kasi magkakaiba kami ng taste. Hi, so my high school friends. We were not close friends anymore right now. Kasi di ba, we have a seasonal friends na, yung ba, for example, high school, you have friends, and then you went out for college, and then you meet another new friends again. Ganyan. So, it's like a seasonal friend for me.
Fourth question. Have you ever had a schoolmate that you liked and you made the first move?
Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Have you ever had a crush na ikaw yung nag-first move?
Because I want a princess statement.
Oh my God, may parang sabi ko lang Ako? Yeah, I have a crush on high school.
What effort?
Parang nag-write ako nung letter and may nakalagay na,
Handwritten?
yeah, tapos konting perfume. Perfume, and then, uso pa kasi before yung parang itutupi, tapos may nakalagay, smile before you. Smile before you open. Na-try ko yun. And then I didn't know naman that someone na crush ko is crush din pala ako. Ba't sinabi mo na lang? Parang hindi na ako nagsimula.
Next question. Have you ever received a gift from your schoolmate or secret advice?
Yun eh.
Many. Many. Grade 7. Binigyan ako ng flowers tsaka chocolates.
Wow!
Kay Tita and kay Tito, graduate na daw.
Pero, sobrang takot ko nun. Binalik ko. Binigay ko sa kaklase ko.
Ay,
ikaw, lahat yun. Ako, tapos may mga ano din, may mga small gift na letter din.
Parang I never received anything. Kasi yung mga secret admirer ko dati. I think you guys are broke. No, because it was high school, diba? So, province. So, yung allowance is super tipid. So, parang wala akong na-receive. Wala akong na-receive na ano.
Ganun lang ah.
Wala. Parang ano na lang yung na-receive ko, Kili. Char.
Okay, next question. Have you ever had a crush on your schoolmate or classmate but never told?
Have you
Never
Hindi mo
Isipin ko pa.
nasabi.
hindi ko nasabi na crush ko. Okay, I have someone. So maybe this is the chance na sabihin ko na sa'yo. I graduated 2011. So how many years from, yeah, it's 2011 high school. So 2026, so how many years is that? So, hindi niya alam na crush ko siya. Pero, hindi siya ko napapangalay. Baka may asawa din. I have. Siguro,
What's the reason?
first year? Second year high school.
Ano reason ba't hindi mo sumagot?
Second year high school. Kasi nahihiya ako before na pag may crush ako, diba? Parang nahihiya ako na magsabihin sa kanya. Pero although, na pinaparamdam ko sa kanya na, uy, crush kita, yung gano'n. Pero hindi ko, pero hindi ko sinabi directly na crush kita, yung gano'n.
Sinusure.
Oo, pero hindi ko na siya i-mention. Basta nag-start yung pangalan. Ano kaya yung mga
Gaganap sa pangalan akin.
Last question. Have you ever had any regrets during high school life?
That's the last question na, diba? Last question.
Last question na.
Regrets? I don't have any regrets.
Me too.
Yeah.
Na-enjoy ko 100%. Sabi nga nila, high school is the best school year na ever. Doon mo talaga ma-receive lahat ng love, kilig.
Parang I agree with you.
Parang wala pang masyadong cram, hindi ka to ng college.
Oh,
Parang mental.
Parang I agree with you. That was the time na na-meet ko yung dad nila, di ba? So, kung hindi ko siya na-meet, walang ate and kuya. So, I don't have any regrets. Although, yung relationship namin is na hindi nag-work out. Yeah, kahit hindi siya nag-work out, I don't have any regrets. So, gusto ko mong magpa-thank you. Salamat po sa mga nag-watch. Hindi ko alam kung pinapanood nyo ba ito ngayon. So, kung napanood nyo po, can you please kindly share your thoughts, diba? And you can comment po sa comment section natin about this tab, kung sino po yung gustong, kung sino po yung may kakilala na may kids na age 3 to 4. Yeah, kasi pang kids talaga to eh.
Comment.
You can comment
Gano'n
their
sila
names of the
ka-deserve.
parents, diba? Kasi if I reach my goal of 40 followers, then maybe sa comment section ako kukuha na lang, no? Diba, ne? Yeah. So, yun
Someone
lang.
really deserves.
I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy our first ever vlog. Kasi I'm not doing vlog like this. Kasi full video lang about family. So, ano pa ba? Gusto ko na mag-thank you. Thank you for the 25k followers. Kasi hindi biro yun. Hindi ko man kayo kalala lahat. Okay, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. And sana mas lalo pang lumaki yung natin, mag-grow yung community natin, di ba? Malay nyo, mas hindi lang tablet yung mabigay natin, di ba? Tapos may padaala enjoy. Ayun lang. Bye-bye.